hope you're all doing great. Some crazy bad weather. But here I am with a little unboxing, guys. Gonna unbox this tripod from Cig Man. So get a quick look at that. I'll get it all opened up and show you the tripod, guys. 1.5 meter tripod. Gonna have a lot of adjustments, so this is gonna be great for the Cig Man laser levels and also this camera that you are watching from. Pretty well packed there, and it's in a bag, so chances of being damaged slim. So get it out of this nice handy bag if you want to keep your tripod nice and clean. That's going to be easy with the carry bag. So guys, just unzipped it out, and this thing looks nice and chunky. Bit of foam around the legs and stuff, and we level. So this is straight away looks. There's another level as well. Straight away it looks a great build. Let me get it out and set the camera up on it, and I'll talk more about it. Straight away, guys, I can attach the laser level or this camera straight onto it. And most cameras do have that wee lock in as well when you get them screwed in. Also, that'll be easy off, so you can, you know, fit that to the camera and then go ahead and get her all set up. And this is very hard to do with one hand, that's why tripods were invented. Also, there's another wee mount on it. There was a screw as well for, like, turns it into a female bit. So there's this as well. I can attach on. I think that'll hold most devices, or you can screw that onto something else, and it also has a side one, so you can go this way. So quite good. I'm not sure if I can attach that to it anywhere, so like temporary. But yeah, what I like about this straight away is obviously the two levels. But this handle here is gonna mean you can just lift the whole thing. It's also strange it has a wee hook at the end. Don't normally see that. The feet as well, just noticed that, are on ball joints, so they're like wee adjustables, and the rubber as well. So if you are working somewhere that has good floors, then you know you're gonna be alright. You're not gonna damage them. So overall, guys, that's a pretty impressive tripod. So well done on this build so far, Cig Man. And again, guys, we will get this tested with more videos, and I have another wee box to get open.
What we doing live? Echoes in eternity.
Like and subscribe to Plastering.